Okay, let's talk about how to program a Chamberlain universal remote control for a garage door opener. So let's take a look at this Chamberlain universal remote control. Obviously, you get the remote control. You also get a belt clip. The battery is included, as well as an instruction manual. This opener is compatible with garage door openers manufactured after January 1st, 1993, that use the photoelectric sensors located near the bottom of the door track. And in the manual, you'll see what brands and models it is compatible with. And has two buttons. Today we're only programming one because we only have one garage door. These belt clips simply slide in, pretty easy. So to program it, you'll need to slide off this little front cover on the remote control to access the little button inside. So here's the instruction manual. And we'll take a closer look at that list here. That shows the different openers that it's compatible with and what color the Learn button is up inside your opener. And that's important when programming the remote control, so you know how many times to push the button depending on what make and model you have. So again, to get started, identify what opener you have, and then let's remove this little cover. It simply slides off, as you see. There's that tiny little program button, that little black round button there. Hard to see it. And there's also, you can see the battery inside there. But yeah, there's the program button. The battery's behind there. So let's take a close-up look next at the chart. So again, garage door opener brands on the left column, the type or color of Smart Learn button in the next column, the year, and then it tells you the number of times you need to press the remote button. This one's a Craftsman from 2005. There's the Learn button. It's a square purple button. Let me show you. It's hard to see right there. See that purple button? That's the Learn button. So we're going to press and hold the program button on the remote control until the blue LED lights up right there. Now we're going to press and release the Learn button on the opener. This is a Craftsman opener, so we're going to press this button 3 times per the chart. You can see it responded. Now we'll press the program button one more time. Now to test it, we'll press the button we just programmed. And you can see the garage door is responding. Woo! So we have successfully programmed the remote control. Now we'll close it. I hope this information helps you. Good luck. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.